Hey y'all, I'm RCL and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my skincare routine, specifically using Black owned skincare products. So stay tuned for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this. Let's get started. Okay, so of course, I wash my face. That is the first step in my skincare routine. I use my Tumeric Soap Bar from Ancient Cosmetics, and I get my spin brush and I rub it against my soap bar like so, and then I wash my face with the spin brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet my brush, and then I'll be back on camera to show you guys, and then we'll go from there. So the soap is like going everywhere because I put new batteries in my spin brush. So it's going crazy. And it's only on the first mode. But I love this soap bar from Ancient Cosmetics because it's been an absolute game changer for my skin. I was using other products, but I decided, let me try something natural. And it was Black owned. So I was like, you know what, let me support my people and let me try this. So about a year ago, I started trying a few different products from Ancient Cosmetics, and I love them. All of the products that I've chosen to use. So this soap bar, it really does like even your skin. Like, they weren't lying when they said that. Like, it really does even your skin. And that's why I love it. And it just cleans my skin. My skin feels so clean after I use this. Like, no other. Okay, now I'm gonna rinse. Let's get that forehead too. It be tripping on me. Okay, so I'm back. And my face has been washed. And I'm just patting my skin dry. I don't want to wipe. I just want to pat it dry. And just be gentle with my skin. And just look at the glow every time I wash my face with this soap bar. I'm glowing every single time. So now the next step is the face mask. Follow me. Okay, so the next step in my skincare routine is my pumpkin vitamin mask. This mask is from AYELE, and what it does is, I'm gonna read off my phone because I don't know by heart, but it's a powerful triple action exfoliator that uses pumpkin enzymes and an alpha hydroxy acid to reveal smooth, radiant skin. That's why I like to use the mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this mask. And it says to leave it on for 3 to 7 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it on for 8. And this is how it looks. And I really love anything pumpkin flavored except like pumpkin pie. I love pumpkin, everything except that. The scent, I just love pastries like muffin tops, teas, black tea. And I just put the mask in the areas that I want the exfoliation. And I'm not gonna put it over my lip because I just got it threaded today. And we not playing them games at all. And while I have the mask on, I'm gonna do a lip scrub. And they said just like you're only supposed to put like a thin layer. And it has a slight tingle / fiery burn, but that's okay. Oh wow, the lip scrub is hard as a rock. Okay, so I went ahead and just washed off the rest of the mask after the 8 minutes of leaving it on. And I just love brushing my eyebrows. I brush my eyebrows constantly, dang near. So what I'm gonna be using now is my Peachy Kisses lip scrub from Ancient Cosmetics. Just get a little bit. And it smells so good, y'all. Then I'm gonna get a towel and just wipe it off. Wet towel. Then I'm gonna just put some Vaseline on my lips. Because I hate when my lips are dry. And now we're gonna do my serums and my moisturizer. So first, I'm going to be using my Brightening Vitamin C Serum from Ancient Cosmetics. It has jojoba oil, vitamin E, meadow foam seed oil, orange essential oil, lemon essential oil. And I use this every day, morning and night. And I put 1 drop on my forehead, 2 on the sides of my face, and then I just rub it in. That dropped quick. And I just rub it in really good. And it works very, very well for me too. And I just will rub it down like my neck and like that. And then I use my Even Skin Hyperpigmentation Moisturizer, which has shea butter, coconut oil, turmeric oil, and lemon oil. I feel like the moisturizer for your face and the one for your body, they're virtually the same. So I just get this one, which is the one for the body, but I use it for my face as well. And it smells so good. It's super light. It looks like whipped cream. And I just put some on my forehead, my cheek, here, and that's it. It's still early in the day, so I don't want to be looking like super greasy. I don't mind looking greasy though. I like using my products. And once I get this all rubbed in, my last step is my avocado, grapeseed oil, turmeric oil, geranium oil. And I'll just do 1 drop here, 1 drop here, and 1 on my forehead. Who is that hooting in the background? Okay. And just like so, I'm done. My skin is literally glowing. Where's my spoolie? Now I gotta brush the brows. And that is my skincare routine, y'all. Just like that. All right, so thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you want, and have a good rest of y'all's day. Blessings and more. See you later.